Hello all dear friends, welcome to the BinaryWins channel. I'm with you with another trading video by Candlestick Psychology. I want to do some trades in the PocketOption and review the tips and patterns that I taught you before. Now, be sure to stay with me until the end of the video. Well, first, we'll find a suitable and healthy chart for trading. We are on the AUD currency pair. If you look, our major trend and minor trend are both down. You can also add a moving average indicator to the chart. Set its period to 20. Note that if our moving average is between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock, our trend is uptrend. Okay. But if it is between 3 and 6 o'clock, that is, as you can see, our trend is downtrend. Okay? If it moves towards 3 o'clock, yes, we have a side trend, okay? So, as you can see, our trend is downtrend. Well, the candles have formed a sideways range, a consolidation area. I entered a higher trade. If you look, we have a bullish engulfing pattern on the buyer's level. We have a gap and distance to the next level. Our level is here. Look, the green candle has made a higher low relative to the red candle, meaning we can see a buyer's range here, okay? That's why I entered a higher trade. Excellent. I entered a higher trade again. Look, there is still a gap and distance to the next level. You know that our level is a fresh level. Okay? Fresh level. We have a strong green candle and there is a possibility of the retracement trend continuing. That's why I entered the higher trade. Okay, I entered a higher trade again. A bullish momentum trend has started. There is still a gap and distance to the next level. It's okay. You can see that the candle has received pressure and rejection from our fresh level and has turned down. I will compensate this trade in the next position. I entered the lower trade. A reversal candle, a doji candle, closed on the round number level. Our major and minor trend are down, and so I entered the lower trade in the direction of the trend. Okay? Very good. I entered the lower trade again, but my entry point wasn't a good entry point. Look, because of the rejection and pressure from the round number level. The move in the direction of the downtrend and the gap to the next level of buyers. That's why I entered the lower trade again. But because my entry point is not good, I will probably lose the position. My friend, we had another pattern here. If you remember, I talked about it in one of the candlestick psychology sections. One of the best candlestick patterns in binary option. We had a T or C pattern here. Touch, reverse, and confirmation. I lost this trade because of the bad entry point. Let's look at another chart. Again, our trend is downtrend. I have a bullish momentum trend here. We are waiting for the candle to close. Here, I have an effective level that the candles have not been able to break through before. We are waiting for the candle to close. I entered two higher trades because of the formation of a reversal candle at the effective level at the end of our downtrend. You can see here we have an effective level, a powerful level that I talked about in one of the candlestick psychology sections. A reversal candle in the buyer's area. In the buyer's zone. That's why I entered two higher trades. Great. I entered two higher trades again. Look. We have a morning star pattern. You know? if you look here, a reversal pattern has formed in the powerful buyer's area. That's why I entered a higher trade, a morning star pattern on the buyer's area. It's okay, my trades are closed on the entry point. You can see that the green candle is forming again. Okay? Look here, as you can see, the trend is up. I entered two higher trades. You can see a red candle is covered between two green candles. The trend is up. Our green candle has no pressure or rejection from above, and instead, buyers are pushing the candles from blue. Also, our green candle has received a rejection and pressure from our moving average, from the dynamic level, and it also made a higher high than the previous candle. So, I entered two higher trades. Great. You can see I entered two lower trades. Look, our trend is downtrend. We have an FC pattern in the downtrend. The FC candlestick pattern. You can see the first candle is red, the second candle is red, the third candle is green, so the fourth candle will most likely be red. So I entered two lower trades. Okay, one of the trades closed in profit and the other closed in loss. That's fine. I entered the higher trade. If you look, we have a side range, after which a powerful candle with large dimensions, about several times the previous candle, without rejection from above, has formed for us. I gave a complete explanation about this candle in the previous part of the psychology of candles, which is called the momentum candle. It is formed after a tight and side trend, and the dimensions of the candle are at least 3 times the previous candle, and after that we can enter the trade in the same direction as the momentum candle. Okay, dear friends, these are our trades today. Don't forget to watch all the candlestick psychology tutorials on the channel. Practice on patterns and tips. Take notes. Try to analyze and trade on the demo account. To support me, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and send the channel link to your friends. To register on PocketOption, use the links below the video. Click on the link, get a demo account of $50,000 and get a 50 to 100% initial bonus for training and trading. My friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video. Bye.